Keywords play a crucial role in Google Ads as they determine when and where your ads will appear. Understanding how to use keywords effectively is essential for reaching your target audience and achieving your campaign goals. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use keywords in your Google Ads campaign. 1. Identify relevant keywords. Understand your audience. Clearly define your target audience and consider the words and phrases they are likely to use when searching for products or services like yours. Brainstorm keywords. Generate a list of potential keywords related to your business, products, or services. Think about variations, synonyms, and long-tail keywords that users might use in their search queries. Use keyword research tools. Leverage keyword research tools such as the Google Keyword Planner to discover new keywords and get insights into search volume, competition, and bid estimates. 2. Choose the right keyword match types. Google Ads offers different keyword match types to control how closely a user's search query must match your chosen keyword. The main match types are broad match. Ads may show for searches that include misspellings, synonyms, related searches, and other relevant variations. Example, keyword, running shoes may trigger ads for searches like athletic sneakers or best jogging footwear. Phrase match. Ads will only show if the search query includes the exact phrase or close variations. Example, keyword, running shoes may trigger ads for searches like best running shoes or buy running shoes online. Exact match. Ads will only show for searches that exactly match the keyword or close variations. Example, keyword, running shoes will only trigger ads for searches that precisely match running shoes. Broad match modifier. Allows you to specify certain words in your keyword that must be present in the user's search query for your ad to show. Example, keyword, plus running plus shoes may trigger ads for searches like best running shoes or running shoes for women. 3. Create ad groups. Organize keywords into ad groups. Group related keywords together within ad groups. Each ad group should focus on a specific theme or product category. Example, if you sell both running shoes and hiking boots, create separate ad groups for each category. 4. Write relevant ad copy. Align ad copy with keywords. Create ad copy that is highly relevant to the keywords in each ad group. Include the keywords in your ad headlines and descriptions. Example, if your keyword is running shoes, make sure your ad copy emphasizes running shoe features and benefits. 5. Implement negative keywords. Exclude irrelevant terms. Add negative keywords to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches. Negative keywords help refine your targeting and reduce wasted ad spend. Example, if you sell new running shoes, you might use used as a negative keyword to exclude searches for used running shoes. 6. Regularly review and adjust. Monitor keyword performance. Regularly review the performance of your keywords in the Google Ads dashboard. Analyze metrics such as click-through rates, CTR, conversion rates, and costs. Adjust bids and budgets. Based on keyword performance, adjust bids to ensure your ads are competitive for high-performing keywords. Allocate more budget to keywords that drive valuable traffic. Tips for using keywords effectively. Start with a strong foundation. Begin with a well-researched and comprehensive list of relevant keywords to set a strong foundation for your campaign. Use long-tail keywords. Consider using long-tail keywords, which are more specific and typically have lower competition. Long-tail keywords can attract highly targeted traffic. Regularly update keywords. Keep your keyword list dynamic. Regularly review and update it based on changing market trends, user behavior, and the performance of existing keywords. Leverage match types strategically. Use a combination of match types to balance reach and precision. Broad match can capture a broader audience, while exact match ensures precision. Consider quality score. Aim to improve the quality score of your keywords by creating relevant ad copy and directing users to high-quality landing pages. By understanding your audience, conducting thorough keyword research, and structuring your campaign with relevant ad groups, you can use keywords effectively in your Google Ads campaign. Regular monitoring and adjustments based on performance data will help you optimize your campaign for better results over time. So that's it. See you soon.